Hey budgeting friends, welcome back to another Sister edition. If you are new to the channel, hi, I am an Australian cash stuffer and you have clicked on the Sister edition, which means that this binder is pretty much for my sister and her goal to go to Tomorrowland festival and Europe trip while she's over there. So if you are interested in how a binder that is purely for traveling might look like, yeah, stick around. Okay, let's count this cash. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 50, 1,000. So we've got 1,000 to play with. And I'm just going to put them in just random slots. Okay. Now, this is pretty much spontaneous stuffing. It's not my usual cash stuffing where I do plan it out to the dollar. This is purely her pretty much giving me $1,000 every bi-weekly or every fortnightly or every pay she gets paid, and I will dedicate it to an envelope and stuff it for her. So let's go backwards because I think that would be good. Okay, so I still need to put labels on this envelope. Haven't gotten around to it, but this one is dedicated to medicine overseas. So I'm going to put another $50. So she now has 51, 52, 50. So 250 in medicine, and I'll update the tracker after cash stuffing this video. Yeah, I'm excited for her to go, but it's nerve-wracking to think that, you know, with the Omicron spreading like wildfire, I don't know how it will go, but yeah, I'm excited for her. So 150 in travel, and I'll put $150 more, so 51, 52. So $200 in travel insurance. Spending. Let's see. I'm going to put in maybe $50 more because we do have some time to stuff this binder. She leaves, I think, July or August or somewhere in the middle of the year. So spending now has 51, 52, 53, 54, 50, 500. That is awesome. But yeah. Yeah, I don't know. She's honestly got game, I would say, to travel overseas during this time. I think it's just so much work. I've seen a lot of like TikTok people. Accommodation, let's put 50. Accommodation now has 51, 52, 53, 54, 50, 500. Yeah, so I've seen a lot of these like TikTok travelers, and they just, you know, advise others about the paperwork to get to that country, or, you know, what they have to download as an app. It's definitely harder than what it was before, which is so crazy. Transportation, I'm going to put 50. So transportation has 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 50. So $550. Yeah, I just don't know how it would look to travel. Like, I definitely, as like my partner's from Germany, so I'd love to just one day go and meet his mum in Germany. but just the fact of like traveling during this time, I don't know. Hey, let me know what you guys think about, or even predict how this traveling will go during this time, or you know, will traveling be like this forever? I'm not too sure. So flights, I'm gonna put $100 into flights, so 51. So now flights has 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 50, 1,000, 51. So 1,100. Yeah, I don't know. Tomorrowland merchandise plus food, I'm going to put another 50. So now it has 51, 52, 53, 300. If you are interested in trackers like these, they are in my Etsy store. A link is provided down below. Tomorrowland clothes. Let's see. We've got 50, maybe one more 100. Oh no, 50. Let's put 50 because we don't need much in clothes. So now we have 51, 52, 53, 54, 50, $450. Yeah, I'm just like, I don't know. But I am so proud of my sister. I just want to say she has been on top of pretty much being very consistent with giving me the money for this particular financial goal that she is saving towards. So I am so happy. Like, I think this might be the most money she has ever pretty much saved. I'm not too sure, but I'm just guessing. So with this T-Land tickets, let's see what we have here. We have 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 50, 1,000, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So we have 1,600. Now I do want to make the envelopes pop. So I'm going to add this amount in. So let's see how much we have now. So 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 50, 1,000, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 50, 1,000. So 2,000, 51, 50. So 2,150 for her tickets. Now, I don't think that is, I think I said before, it's like around 3,000 for her tickets, but that's like a package. So that includes like accommodation. Yeah, I think accommodation and tickets, I would say. So it looks like this envelope can actually fit the $2,000, but I feel like if I stuff another 1,000 or 2,000, it's going to pop. But that is the goal. We want this particular envelopes in this binder to pop because, yeah, like there's, yeah, I don't know. That's the goal for this binder. Anyway, I want to say thank you so much for joining me in another Sister Sister edition. Hopefully we can do one very soon. And thank you for joining me. Have a lovely day. Bye.